Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to increase profile views on Upwork. Increasing profile views on Upwork is crucial to landing more job invites and clients. So I'm going to share some of the proven strategies to help you get more visibility. So as you can see, I have searched for some of the video editor profiles on Upwork and there are plenty of them. Some of them have got a really good work and some not. So I'll show you what's the difference between getting much work and not. So this profile has really good views. You can see through its earning, the hours and overall the work that person has done. So the first thing that matters the most is your title, the title you have given to your profile. Writing a simple title is very crucial. It helps understand the client what you actually do. And in the description, you have to make sure you have written everything about yourself, the services you offer, and what sort of work you do. And also make sure you have mentioned your skill, at least 7 skills. But if you want to go for more skills, you can go for that. And also always make sure your profile picture is professional. It is not like a selfie, a half face, or maybe tilted face. Make sure your face is straight and visible to the other person. These few things are the first impression of your profile, so make sure everything is on the point. If you have done some work, then make sure you have highlighted your portfolio. You can just simply highlight the work you have done it will help the clients to see what work you have done, and based on that they will give you work or they hire you. And make sure you have written your skills as well. Then if you have done any work and you have some of your feedback, make sure they are listed on Upwork. A good feedback is crucial. It helps the client understand that how better you are at work. So make sure you get the good feedback. If your profile is new, then you don't have to worry about it. You will get over time. And once all the things are better, you will get this job success rate and top rated. By this, your account will be suggested more to other clients. So if you focus on the things that I have told you in this video, all of these will increase your job success rate and will make you top rated. So it will increase your visibility. So these are the few things that you have to work on to increase your profile view. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you're new to this channel or you have not subscribed yet, then make sure to subscribe it for more informative videos and updates. Thank you so much for watching the video.